Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display specific column on desktop layout only and hide on mobile and tablet layout in UX Builder in WordPress. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are using flatsome UX Builder. Now on left side you see row, column, again you see column. So we have two column layout and we are going to display specific column on desktop layout only. Now select column according to requirement. Now click on setting icon, so click on it and then you see options, so again click on it. So we select this column and then scroll down, you see advanced visibility visible, drop down select only for desktop. So this column only display for desktop layout. On right side you see mobile, so click on it. Now scroll down, that column you don't see on mobile layout and then again click on tablet portrait. Now you don't see that column on tablet layout, again click on desktop. Now you see column, so this column only display for desktop layout only and hide on other screens and then click on apply. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.